welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with a super exciting video. So just in case you couldn't tell by the title down below, in today's video I'm actually going to be trying out the Chandler palette from the Friends and Revolution collection series 3. I've already tested out two of the other palettes. So first I tested out the Revolution and Forever Flawless. We were on a break palette. This video is already live on my channel, so I'll leave it linked down below just in case you want to watch them as well. And the other palette that I've already tested out is the Revolution and Joey palette, and that's what that palette looks like. Absolutely beautiful. And this video is also live on my channel. I'll leave that link down below as well. But like I said, today's video is the Chandler palette, and this is what the palette looks like. I have swatched a few of the shades, I just couldn't help myself, but it looks beautiful. And if you do enjoy my video, make sure you hit the like button because it does help out my channel, and I love it you stick around, hit subscribe, and let's just get into the video. So this is the Chandler palette. I absolutely love the outer packaging and this kind of like peach kind of colour for Chandler, and the little Polaroid is the door of the flat of Chandler's flat, and then this is what the colour story looks like. It's got a mixture of blues, pinks, greens and gold. I think it's such an interesting colour story. I really like it. My lovely friend Lou Stevenson here on YouTube, I'll leave her channel link down below, did an absolutely beautiful look with this palette. I'm just going to start off by swatching the palette. So we've got Hello Mr. Bing. That's like a really pale blue, like a very pastel blue. Next we've got Tulsa and Bigger Boat, and that's the first 3 shade swatch. You could do like such a beautiful look with that. I absolutely love that blue. I think that blue's going on my face. It's beautiful. Then the next 3 we've got Hypnosis, The Box and Cups. I'm impressed with how that mint shade, this like green shade, how that's swatched. I really like it. The shimmers are quite nice in this. Next we've got Eddie, Jack. Wow, that swatch beautiful as well. And we've got Erica. This is what the palette looks like all swatched. Oh, I can't decide whether to do one eye blue and one eye pink, or whether to do like the blue and green are gonna look really nice together. So just prime my eyes. I use the P. Louise base in the shade Rim 01. Let's take the shade Bigger Bow, and I'm gonna put that all the way through my crease. And I'm gonna use a Jessup 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush. It's like a flat fluffy brush. I just find it works really well to like pack on the colour as well as blend a little bit too. I'm going to take this Spectrum B11 brush, it's just like a little fluffy brush, and just start to like blend that a little bit. We just gotta trust the process. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Hypnosis, which is this like mint green in the palette. Just looked absolutely beautiful when I swatched it, so I'm just going to use that to blend out that blue shade. I'm just going to go back into that shade Bigger Boat here, really deepen it up and put it on the outer corner as well. Shades are a lot more pastel-y than I thought they were going to be. Like, definitely a lot more pastel than they look in the palette. But I don't know, I'm still liking it. So I'm literally just going to hop off camera. I'm going to really build up that blue and the green, and I'm just going to cut my crease, and then I'll be right back. So this is what my eye is looking like. I know I have creased a little bit, but I'll sort that in a minute. I did end up taking it off and redoing it just because it just went so patchy. So I used the Revolution Ultimate Eye Base, and it actually worked out a lot better than the P. Louise this time. And I'm surprised that I'm actually saying that, but I'm happy it's not patchy anymore, which I'm really glad about. Those colours blended in so beautiful together, it was just effortless, so I'm really happy. For my cut crease, I just used the Revolution Ultimate Eye Base as well. I don't know, I'm stuck between this blue shade Tulsa and the shade Jack. I don't know all the shimmers in this palette like I could put on my lid. I think that's how you can tell it's like such a good colour story. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to go with the blue though, just because it looks beautiful. Like, look at that. It's actually beautiful. I'll swatch the pink as well because that's what I'm stuck between. That's what they look like. I just love the foiliness of this shadow. Like, they're both really, really pretty. Let's swatch the one in the middle, the greeny one. It's like a greeny gold. Oh, that's beautiful too. I'm gonna go with the blue. Oh, let's go with the blue. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of the shade Bigger Bow just to help blend that blue in. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade Hello Mr. Bing just to help blend them together as well. So this is what we're looking like so far, just in my other eye and my base. And I really like this look actually. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think for my lower lash line, I've got to use the pink, I think. Just because I haven't used that shade and I haven't used any of the pinks yet, so I think it's got to be pink. But I think on my very outer corner, I'm going to take the shade Bigger Boat first, and then I'll go in with the shade Eddie. And now I'm just going to take this shade down here called Eddie. Looks like a bit of me. It looks amazing. Like, look at it. And I'm just going to blend that pink out with a little bit of the shade Erica. Like, not too much, just a little bit. And then the shade Hello Mr. Bing, just for that blue on the lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Jack down here, and I'm going to take it a little bit on my lower lash line as well. And I'm going to take a little bit of the shade The Box for my brow bone highlight. So I'm just going to hop off camera, I'm going to apply some mascara, obviously finish off my other eye, and I think I've just got to go in with the Chandler gloss. It might not go as well, but yeah, I think it's just got to be done. Chandler Palette, Chandler gloss, we'll see how it looks, and then I'll be right back to my finished look. So this is my finished look. Let me know what you think down below. I'm really impressed with this palette, I have to say. I wasn't sure at first because I felt like the blue was going on really patchy, but then I managed to sort it and it was totally fine. I will say though, these shades, Hello Mr. Bing and Erica, they are very, very pale shades. I feel like I'd have to build them up like quite a bit to be able to blend them out, but saying that, this shade doesn't come out that colour. It is more pastel-y. I don't mind pastel palette, I love pastel colours. Super cute, love it. I do actually really like it. I definitely want to play around with it more and do like more of a pinky look and try out these pink shades like a little bit more. I did only use them like a tiny bit and I just wanted to make use of like more shades. Will say though that this Mr. Boat shade And if you can see, it looks like well used. I did pack quite a lot on to try and get some more pigment, but I don't mind it. I love the palette. It's really nice and packaging's cute. It's £8. Would I recommend it? 100%. I really enjoyed using the palette and I love Friends, so yeah, I'm really happy with this palette. And just in case you're wondering about my eyelashes, they're from the brand House of Boot Lashes and they're in the style Nisha. Really like these ones. They're short and like full, but they don't look short on my really small hooded eyes, so they're kind of really perfect for my eyes. I really like them. So thank you so much for watching my video and make sure you hit the like button if you did enjoy my video. Let me know what you think of my look down below and make sure you stick around, hit subscribe, because tomorrow is my final testing day and it will be with the Forever Flawless I'll Be There For You palette, which looks like this. I already have a somewhat look in mind and I'm really excited to do that look. So make sure you stick around, subscribe, notification bell and all that good stuff, just so you don't miss out on this video, and I'll hopefully see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!